In this video, we're going to learn how to expand brackets, and more precisely, single brackets. So let's start with the first expression. The first expression reads 3 times open brackets, a plus b, close brackets. Okay. Now the first thing to spot here is that we have a term outside of the brackets, okay? Or in front of the brackets. And this term here is 3. Then this 3 is going to be multiplying each term inside the brackets individually, okay? So what we're going to get is, first we're going to have 3 times a, and the second term is going to be 3 times b, okay? And then we need to solve this. So 3 times a, we know is just 3a, and then 3 times b is just 3b. Therefore, what we get when expanding this bracket is 3a plus 3b. Okay. What about the other expression? This one reads 5 times open brackets, 4a minus 3b, close brackets. Again, we spot the term outside the brackets, or in front of the brackets, which in this case is 5. And again, this term is going to be multiplying each term inside the brackets in turn. Therefore, what we get is 5 times 4a first, and then we get 5 times minus 3b. Then we need to solve these. So 5 times 4a, 5 times 4 is 20, so 20a. And then 5 times minus 3b is equal to minus 15b. So again, if we put these together, we get 20a minus 15b. Perfect. Okay, now it's getting a little bit harder. So let's see, the first one reads 3a times open brackets, 5b minus c, close brackets. Okay, so here's a question for you guys. What's the term in front of the brackets that we need to multiply by each term inside the brackets? So in this case, it's 3a, okay? It's a whole thing. So we need to take this whole thing and multiply it in turn by each term inside the brackets. So what we would get here is 3a times 5b, and then 3a times minus c. Okay, so 3a times 5b, so we get 3 times 5 is 15, and then a times b is just ab. Then we have 3a times minus c, which is going to give us minus 3ac. And then if we put these together, we get 15ab minus 3ac. Excellent. And what about this last one? This last one reads 3 times open brackets, minus 2b squared, minus 5c cube, close brackets. Again, here we have a 3 in front of the brackets, so we need to multiply this one by each term inside the brackets. So we get 3 times minus 2b squared, and then we get 3 times minus 5c cube. So 3 times minus 2b squared is equal to minus 6b squared. And then 3 times minus 5c cube is minus 15c cube. And putting them together, we get minus 6b squared minus 15c cube. Okay, so this is how you expand single brackets. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them.